Brand Identity Audit, analyzing verified platform data. We're cutting through the marketing noise today to conduct a strict, completely objective audit of online graphic design services using nothing but verified platform data.
Are you buying custom art or just paying for cheap templates? Listen, this is the absolute biggest danger you face as a small business owner when hiring online designers today. You hand over your hard-earned money expecting a totally unique identity, right? But if you don't know exactly what metrics to look for, you might end up paying for a recycled logo that dozens of other companies are already using. And unless you're trying to build a secret clone army, that is terrible for business.
Let's compare custom identity systems versus recycled template work. On one side, you have a custom identity system built from the ground up, specifically around your business goals and market positioning. On the other side, generic, low-effort template work where a so-called designer literally just swaps the text on a stock file and calls it a day. Protecting your budget means knowing exactly how to spot the real deal and avoid the fakes.
Section 1. Analyzing verified platform data.
Okay, let's get right into it. To understand what a secure investment actually looks like, we're independently auditing a highly rated profile, Juhi, from the Freelance agency. When we analyze the verified data on this platform, the very first thing that jumps out is this massive number, 9,450. That's the total number of verified reviews. As we scroll dynamically through this seller's verified review section on screen, you can see this isn't just marketing fluff. It is objective, undeniable proof of successfully navigating thousands of unique client requirements.
Next up, we see the number 17. At the time of this audit, this profile is managing 17 active orders right there in the queue. This is a crucial metric because it shows real-time, sustained market demand. Real businesses are actively trusting this profile with their budgets, right now.
Let's break down these vetted pro metrics. Handpicked by the platform's dedicated pro team, top-rated seller status, and over 11 years of design experience. Highlighting the vetted by Fiverr Pro badge and that 11+ years of experience on screen, having that handpicked status means actual human moderators have audited this freelancer's workflow. That, combined with over a decade of documented experience, gives you the exact data points you absolutely need to look for to mitigate your financial risk.
Section 2. The 5-step workflow.
We have to verify the actual process behind the delivery just to make sure we aren't paying for automated generation. The specific workflow structure indicates a high-effort human design process. Zooming in directly on this 5-step design process graphic, you see they start with strong communication, move into dedicated research, actual human sketching, a review phase, and then finalize the delivery. This kind of step-by-step human intervention, it's the complete opposite of someone just clicking an auto-generate button.
Section 3. Portfolio and client delivery. Because look, a nice-looking image just isn't enough. You need functional assets. What many users overlook in the portfolio is the technical completeness of the delivery. Highlighting this specific file format list here, AI, EPS, SVG, PNG, JPG, PDF, they are providing comprehensive system deliverables. We're talking safe zones, typography hierarchy, and a full suite of print and web-ready vector files. This means your team can hand these exact files to any designer or printer anywhere in the world with absolutely zero quality loss.
We also found objective evidence backing up that crucial first step of their workflow, strong communication. Check out this verified 5-star review from a user named Presell. They say, working with Dewey and the Freelance team was an outstanding experience from start to finish. Communication was always fast, polite, and professional. This verifies that the human element is functioning exactly as advertised.
And this brilliantly illustrates how a solid revision process actively protects your creative vision. A user named AlexZ1991 wrote, "Amazing work. They are very patient even when picky people like me go back and forth a lot. No questions asked, just, okay, we will do the adjustments." When a designer handles adjustments without resistance, it proves they're genuinely committed to customizing the art for your specific business, rather than forcing you into a rigid pre-made template.
Section 4. A verified branding solution.
Based on this data-driven audit, relying on vetted profiles with this level of platform transparency is naturally a secure option for businesses trying to protect their branding budgets. And the core business value is perfectly summarized right here in the source material. An inconsistent brand dilutes trust. A well-documented brand style guide empowers your team. It empowers your whole team to maintain visual consistency across all platforms. It is a literal, tangible investment in your company's professional credibility. Which brings us to the final thought I want to leave you with today. Look really closely at your current visuals and ask yourself, is your brand identity actually built to scale with custom, highly functional assets,
Or is it just built to blend in with recycled templates? Take a hard look at your strategy, demand absolute transparency from the designers you hire, and make sure your budget is actively working to set your business apart.